For all those who say that, this is the renaissance of liberal arts education in India, do you believe that they're overstating the case, or are we actually looking at a situation where we are sitting up, taking note, and going back to treating liberal arts with the kind of respect and dignity and honor that it deserves, like everything else does too?
Yes, absolutely. I don't think it's overstating the case at all. I think for far too long, post-independence, I think our founders of the country and the policymakers were very focused on building the technical manpower in our country, and it was understandably so. We needed to be self-resilient and reliant, and so the technology institutes came up, and that spawned a whole engineering education boom. The management institutions came up, that spawned a whole bunch of management institutions, and somewhere liberal arts education was there in the public system, but it was still very much a specialized liberal arts subject education. So what has happened, I think, is you are seeing a upsurge in this right now, because there's a natural pent-up desire to get out of this very regimented, almost constrained learning environment that a pure specialization leads to.
We're largely now looking at a system where the aim of education seems to be employment. Yet, when all these surveys come back at us and we see all these graduates and a handful of them only employable.
I think in the last 30 years, people who are graduating from engineering institutions, management institutions, I mean, there's clear data that a lot of them are not employable, and just because they do not have the right skills for any job. Even people like us, I mean, both of us are engineers, and I think when we went into the work life, I as an entrepreneur, most of the things you had to really you had to learn on your own, right? And most of what you learned in engineering, you felt you were really not applying. And which really made us question that what is the kind of education you would want to impart? What is the 3 years, 4 years? What should that college education be? As long as we are convinced that this education can really help develop those skills, people are willing to take a bet. And I think more than parents, students are more excited. Students are saying, look, I don't want to continue in the sciences. I have other passions.
So what about the university of tomorrow? What should we be looking at when we sort of put our mind to that? What should India's universities of tomorrow look forward to gear themselves for these students and the skills that they will now need?
I think going forward in the context of India and 21st century skills, multidisciplinarity is a must.